Oh shit.
This guy got me. No, I don't.
Oh shit. Oh shit, just give it up, give it up. Oh shit. Give it up before they beat you up.
Hey,
Oh,
police,
shit.
stop resisting!
Oh,
Police,
shit.
stop resisting! It's fucked up, man.
Alrighty, man. We need you to cut that, bro.
Yeah?
We need you to cut that.
Why?
I can't be letting you record, man.
Why? It's not against the law. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Sorry, it's okay.
Is it okay to go in the store?
Yeah, go
And
ahead.
besides, hey man, besides, I'm outside the store, man.
Alrighty.
So,
Scoop.